This case, once customer reaches the day that customer will pay you back the amounts of the goods that they purchased from you earlier. If this is within discount period, we also take care of the amount of discount under another account, another contract revenue account called sales discount. A sales discount, just like return of allowance, they both have minimal balance on the debit side, just because both of them really reduces sales revenue. Okay, so this case here, earlier we made, let's say, sales transactions that were worth $6,500. Originally you should be collecting, your company should be collecting $6,500. But since the customer pays within 10 days, is still within the discount period, then they get 2% off from the $6,500. Okay, so you see in the middle here, if without the discount it would simply be cash and then accounts receivable, that's all. Without the discount. It would be fully $6,500. Debit cash, credit accounts receivable. Okay, but with this discount amount, $130, then this will reduce the cash that you're collecting from customer, because you're doing customer a favor, encouraging them to pay back the money earlier. So the cash you're getting will not be $6,500, but it will be reduced to $6,370. So it depends on credit terms. If it's 310 net 30 and you're getting 3% off, your company will be getting 97% of the original amount. Okay, but for this case here, they're getting 98% of the $6,500. Okay, so in this case, you'll see sales discount to the account $130 listed. Remember again, at the end, under income statement, you'll see sales revenue first, then you have the returns, allowances, sales discounts listed underneath it. These two amounts will be deducted from sales. So it's the opposite side of sales. Any questions so far? Good. In this chapter, there's a lot of transactions, a lot of new entries and new accounts. So make sure that you go back to the handout and try to do a comparison of purchase and sales side. Okay, this week you're not going to have homework, but next week after midterm exam, we'll be doing homework on chapter 5. You'll have both problems as a purchaser, as a seller. How do you do transactions? So make sure you understand which role the corporation is playing when you journalize the entry. Okay, because some of the events are very similar. Both cases you have returns and allowances. Both cases you have discounts. Both cases you could have freight charges. But in terms of what role your company is playing, that will determine which account you're using. Okay, so after midterm, when you review this chapter, make sure to also refer to the handout.